Hello everyone, my name is Aisha Shukla. I hope you all are doing good. So today I would like to welcome you all in the design studio of Label Ayush Raj. So let's get inside and take a tour of this video or my workspace. So let's get inside and here it is. Okay, so starting with the look and feel of this room. So as you can see that this room is dual toned, and let me tell you that I did it purposely because I wanted it two toned so that if ever I wanna do studio shoot on a dark background, I can use this wall. Or if I kind of want a fresh, soft, light background, so I can use this side of the room, this part of the room. Okay, so from here I get the perfect view of the pleasant day and witness the lovely wind coming across the window. So basically the studio has got two sections. So outdoor it's kind of a natural, fresh kind of a feel, and here it's kind of work mode on. So this is basically how I manage my mental pressure, but outside it's kind of a very fresh, relaxing, meditating. Okay, so let's go out and let's see what all things are there. So having the planters all around the outside area was basically the idea of my parents, who have spent a lot of time over here planting so many
Beautiful plants. I would just like to thank them for being with me and supporting me at each and every step. So thank you so much, Mom and Dad. Now heading towards the studio.
Okay, so basically I have these two stands in which one of it has gotten an umbrella and the other one has gotten an LED light. Yeah, so this is quite good. The company of this LED light is Osaka Digital. You have gotten two lights in this. One is the yellow lighting and the other one is the white light. Okay, so see the yellow light and the white light, and also this has got different intensity of the lights. Whatever intensity you want to increase or decrease, you can use that. Okay, so equally it distributes the light everywhere. Another thing that I have gotten for myself for shooting is this tripod stand. This is quite long if you want to increase. Okay, to set up my camera it helps me over there. So the company of this is ProStar. Okay, and this is the name of the stand. Sonia LS250 is the model of the stand. So yeah, this is it for the studio thing that I need. I also have two curtains, white and a black, that I place it on the back side in place of that curtain. Okay, so this is my working space and I spend most of my time here researching, planning, illustrating and everything. All the magic that happens over here is on this wonderful laptop that has been with me since last 4 years, 4 or 5 years. So all the designs that I have been making it on Adobe Illustrator. All the editing parts have been done on Adobe Photoshop, and all the video editings have been done on InShots. Okay, so behind me, as you can see, that this is all-in-one kind of a board for me. For example, you can see that here is a monochromatic wheel that I had made, and all the illustrations have been here. The photographs after the shoot have been put up here. The fabric swatches, the mood boards, the color story, everything is here, and the illustrations according to that have been made. The details of the garments, the flat sketches of all these things, and the croquis and everything. And yes, this is my business organizer. So I write all the details over here in this here, and my plannings, my research and everything, I do it in this business organizer, which has been gifted by my dad to me. So yeah, And here, as you can see, that there are so many to-do tasks to be done. So whatever I have to do, I just write it in the sticky notes and stick it over here. So it's easy for me to manage, to plan, to just decide what are the things which are yet to be completed. Okay, so let's move on to this clothing rack which I took from Amazon. I have put all the designs that I have been making these days here in the hangers that I took from the local market nowhere. So these are the wooden hangers that look quite classy according to me. And yeah, so that's it. Okay, so these two are wonderful ladies in my room. So I haven't yet really named them. So what you can do is you can just comment me in the section below that I can name them at least. One of them is size 8 and one of them is size 10. So this one has got legs and this one is for the dresses or to the waist. Okay, so these two are the ones who give me company in my room whenever I'm there alone. Okay, so if ever I want a correct picture of the garment or I want a white background on the back side for each garment, so what I do here is I have made a structure behind this with the help of a thermocol. Now beside this we have got a mirror, a full length mirror, which is, I guess, really important, right? Okay, so coming to this side of the room, this is my all-in-one table again. So basically it's a pattern making table for me, a cutting table for me, as well as my ironing table. So as you can see that here I have taken the steam iron for myself and I've just hung it from the rod of the curtain. And from this the water comes and it gives the steam to the iron, from where I can just iron it over here. So I can just take the fabric, spread it as much as I want and iron it the way I want it to be. So as you all know that the pattern making, cutting and as well as ironing table, it needs layers, right? So for that I've used a double bed sheet over here in this. A double bed sheet is here, which is also folded double times, and then I've used muslin, which is 5 meters. I've spread it all over and made a table for myself. So you can also make a table for yourself if you're working from home or anywhere, as most of the students who are there are working from home, right? So this is the way you can make your all the 3 kinds of tables in one table. Okay, all the 3 works you can do on this one own table. The tools, so all the tools as you can see is lying all over here, and all the patterns that I use are put here only. The dress patterns are here, rest all of them I have just put it inside in the store. And yeah, okay, so talking about this iron, this has been taken by the place from where I have taken the machines, the Pandey sewing machine. I'll share the link below and you can also order it for yourself. They are also available online and everywhere. Okay, so this is really a wonderful in budget iron, steam iron that I've ever got for myself. Okay, and it has got a wire, one for the switch and the other for the water, from where the water goes in this, and it gives you a steam and you can just use it all over your piece or the garment. Okay, and it also has got a knob and everything. And yeah, I'll also tell you the company of this is Silver Star. This is a Silver Star company. Okay, so here you get the steam. You just have to click on this button and you get the steam over here. If the fabric is really light, you can just steam it from the top and you get the desired result. But if it's kind of cotton or anything, so you can also very lightly just iron it. So this was the dress which I made few days back for myself. So this way you just iron cotton. Yeah, so here it is. You get the steam and the ironing is proper. So I would suggest you to take this wonderful iron by Silver Star. You also get a silicone iron pad on which you rest your iron, basically. Okay, so let's get to the next section of the room, which is the sewing pad. Yes, So basically this is a single needle lock stitch machine. We also call it as SNLX machine, which again I have taken from Pandey Sewing Machine, which is based in Lucknow only. It's all the kinds of machines they have in their store. And yes, if you want to buy any of the machine or the iron or any of it, so you can anytime visit their online section also. So if you wish to buy any machine from them, so my review for this machine is also like this works wonders for me. So as you can see that this is a Juki machine. So basically this is a DDL8100E, the model of the machine. This is also suited for the measuring thing, right? If you ever wish to measure something, you can just place it here and measure it, right? So it's convenient. It also has gotten a basket in which you can put anything that you want. I've put in here some needles, some scissors, the measuring tape, the pins and all, right? The draping pins and the tracing wheel. Okay, and yeah, so all these hooks and everything, all the needles and the threads and needles and all are here, placed over here. One more thing, a single needle lock stitch machine, which means that the thread, that it has got a single needle and it locks the thread basically. Okay, so that is why it is named after single needle lock stitch machine. Okay, so from the bottom, as you can see here, it locks the thread from inside, so it makes it lock. So that is why when you stitch, you get a running stitch, a normal running stitch, which is mostly done in all of the garments that we wear. More important thing about this wonderful machine is you number the layers and it can stitch those layers. Okay, so as many as layers are there, whatever fabric is there, it is going to stitch anything and everything you want. So from here you can just increase or decrease the size of the stitch, whether you want a big stitch or you want a small stitch. You can just adjust it from here. You can put the needle up or down if you want. So from here you can do that. From here you can change the tension of the thread, like how fast or how hard the thread is coming from the source, right? So from here you can see like how hard it is coming and the smooth it is coming. So basically if you need to maintain the tension of the thread, the way the balance from the top and the bottom thread should be equal. Always the tension of the top and the bottom thread should be equal. Then only you will get a perfect stitch. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. It has got tanks inside this, in which we've got oils and everything. Okay, so yes, it has got an accelerator on the bottom. The more you press it, the more fast it goes. Okay, if you are a beginner, you can just use it very slowly, very carefully. But when you are a smarty and when you're an expert, you can just run it anyway. So it is basically an industrial machine. It is really durable and it can work for hours. Okay, so I've also put in a personalized light for me over here. You get a perfect finishing after you have a light for yourself. Actually, you get a lot of strain while putting thread in the needle, right? This light is also a lifesaver, trust me. Okay, so yes, done with the explanation of this sewing machine. Let's go on the overlock machine, okay? If you have any doubt anywhere, you can just comment me in the section below and I can make a video for that accordingly, okay? So if you're starting your own startup or you want to know about anything, you can just contact me anytime and I'm there to help you all, okay? So it would be lovely for me to see you all working and the way you guys are working. It will be great fun supporting each other, right? So if you have something about your design studio or if you have something of your workspace, you can share with me so that I can share with my audience and everywhere. Okay guys, so talking about this machine, this is again a wonderful overlock machine. So if you must have seen that whenever you cut a fabric, after that you get frays the fabric, right? So to secure those frays, so this overlock machine works wonderful. So let's just show you how this works. So this also helps you measure anything that you want from here. And yes, let's just see. So this basically has got two pedals. One is for picking up the pedal and placing your fabric inside, and the other one is for acceleration. Okay, so from here you can just increase the threads. As I can see that this is making perfect stitches over here. Okay, So just slowly and gradually, let's see that yes, this is fine. Let's move ahead, okay? No, I haven't put any light in this. I still need to buy a light for this one because this has got typical a typical mechanism inside, and it's really difficult to do the threading of this machine. Okay, so I just try that I do not disturb the threading of this machine, and yeah, so slowly and gradually we'll just start with this. Okay, okay, so yeah, so as you can see that this is also cutting the fabric. It also has gotten a cutter beside that, and you can see that this is also making a okay, so the thread, it gets broken if you just don't pay attention. Okay, so you can see that the fabric has been cut from one side, and the other side it has gotten stitched itself. Okay, it also has got a self trimmer on the back and side, so when you just use that, it gets out. Okay, so you don't need a scissor for this. You already have a self cutter in this, and you can see that so perfectly it has got its overlock stitch. Okay, so I would recommend you to buy this machine because this is a Jake machine. So basically this has gotten 2 needles in it, and this has got 4 threads. That is why we call it as 2 needle 4 thread overlock machine. Okay, so one more interesting thing is that when the fabric comes out, it automatically goes inside, and you can just use it as a so it just gets on the floor. See, the mechanism of this machine is really nice, whoever has made this. So this is a Jake machine of the model JK747, and yeah, this is designed in Japan, and you can also get this again in Pandy Sewing Machine, or you can just order it online also. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this, ask me in the comment section below, and I would love to answer them. Okay, so let's go on the other part. Okay, so coming to this machine, this is really a wonderful machine which has been with me since I guess 5 years. This is a brother machine with the machine code as FS101. Okay, so this is basically a computerized sewing machine. Okay, so everything that you get that you need to write down over here is using these buttons. Okay, and you've gotten several other things with this. You just need to manage and learn how to use this particular area only. Okay, once you know about the mechanism of this, it's really easy for you to work upon. Okay, so here as we can see that this has also gotten a auto threader, and as you can see that this has got light also over here, so that it is easy for us to do the threading. Okay, the threading of this is really easy. It's not tough at all. Okay, you put the bobbin over here inside. It's just as easy as it. You don't need a bobbin case in this. Okay, so this has also gotten a motor on the bottom, so when you just press on that motor, it will just start working. Okay, it has got 100 stitches over here. Any stitch that you want, even if it's a buttonhole stitch or any embroidery stitch, you can use it anywhere and anyhow you want. Okay, so one more interesting thing is that this machine will help you make customized names. The alphabets that you can see, you can anytime embroider any name, any character, any alphabet you want. To get a personalized garment for yourself, if you want your name or any initial on that, you can just contact me for that. I can do that for you. There's no problem in that. I can just embroider it on your part and you can just use it. And this is a brother machine. This works really well. It has been my partner since 5 years, I guess. All the college stuff, everything that I have made till now, I have used this machine in that. This will help you increase or decrease the tension of the thread as you did on that machine too, as you remember. And then this is for the speed control. The more you press, it will not move if you are putting it on slow. So if you are a beginner, you can just put it on the slow, and if you're an expert, you can just put it on the fastest of all. Then you've also got a back tack button over here also, and yes, so any type of stitch, you name the stitch and you'll get it over here. Okay, this has got really number of stitches, and this has got really wonderful stitches in that. Yes, all the zigzag stitches, the buttonhole stitches, and the embroidery stitches. You can also fit a button using this, and also you've got several foots in this through the serging also of the fabrics, and you can also do the picot stitch to finish the ends of the fabric in this, and whatever you want you can do using this wonderful machine. Okay, and this has gotten this area also from where you can just fit your bobbin in and you can use that. Okay, so this is really a nice machine, and I would recommend you to buy this machine if you are a student. Okay, and if you're still learning and if you are a student, you can buy this machine and it will cost you around 20k. And you'll also, I don't know if you can get it online or not. I got it from Gandhinagar when I was pursuing bachelor's in design from NIFT. So then in the first year I got this for myself when we had to complete the assignments and everything. So then I got this for myself and I've spent nights with this machine. Okay, this is really close to my heart, and this has never ditched me. Touch wood, but this has never ditched me at all ever. So yes, if you wish to buy this, you can also buy this. This is really a wonderful machine, and you can get all-in-one things in this. Okay, so it was wonderful sharing my space with you all. I hope you all enjoyed with me. So if you really liked the video, you can hit the like button, you can comment me in the section below, and you can also support me by subscribing my channel. So I hope it was fun. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for more videos. Okay, so if you have any question regarding anything to me, you can ask me anytime, anywhere. I'm available all over the social media. Comment me in the section below whatever you want to see next. I would love to make a video for you all. Thank you so much. Take care and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.